5, Unit 4, adding two-digit numbers with regrouping. Unit 4.1, add numbers using 20 to 39 with regrouping. Let's look at example A, 36 plus 24. Start off with the ones column. 6 plus 4 gives us a two-digit answer of 10. So we're going to write down the 0 and we're going to carry our 1 over into our tens column. So now when we add up our tens column, we have 1 plus 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 for an answer of 60. Let's look at example B. We want to fill in our missing number. Just go ahead and work through your process and the number will come. So let's start adding in our ones column. 7 plus 3 is 10. That's where the 0 came from, but we're carrying the 1. Right now in our tens column we have 3 plus 1, which is 4, but our answer is 5. So that means that we still need another 1 to complete the 5. So our missing number is 1. Unit 4.2, add numbers using 30 to 49 with regrouping. Let's look at example A. In our ones column we have 8 plus 2, that's 10, so we're going to write down the 0, carry the 1. In our tens column we have 1 plus 4, which is 5, 5 plus 2, which is 7, for an answer of 70. Example B. We want to fill in our missing number, but go through the entire process. In our ones column we have 8 plus 7, that's 15. So you see we wrote the 5 is down there, but we've got to carry the 1. Now in our tens column right now we have 2 plus 1, which is 3, but our answer is 6. So what would we have to fill in our number with? 3 more. So our missing number is 3. Unit 4.3. Add numbers using 40 to 59 with regrouping. Example A. Starting with the ones column. 7 plus 6 is 13. We'll write down the 3, carry our 1. Now add up our tens columns. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 for an answer of 73. Let's look at example B. We have a missing number again. If we go through our process, we're going to start off with the ones column. Now, 5 plus what number gives us 0? Well, nothing does, but keep in mind if we look at our tens column, we have only 7, but the answer is 8, which means 1 was carried over. So that's basically a 10 there. So 5 plus what number equals 10? That would be 5. Unit 4.1. Add numbers using 50 to 69 with regrouping. Let's look at example A. Start off in the ones column. 7 plus 5 is 12. Write down the 2, carry the 1. In the tens column, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8 for an answer of 82. Let's look at example B. We have to fill in the missing number. If we go to add the first column, once again you have to say, okay, 8 plus what equals 0? Well, there's not a number that equals 0, but if we look at the tens column, we have 6, 7, 8, but 9 is our answer, which means that there is an extra 1 that we had to carry over from the first column. So that's 10. So 8 plus what number equals 10? That would be the number 2. Unit 4.5, adding 3 numbers with regrouping. Example A. We're going to start off in the first column, adding all 3 numbers together. So we have 8 plus 5, which is 13. 13 plus 3, which is 16. So we're going to write down the 6, carry the 1. Now add up all 4 numbers in the tens column. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 for an answer of 56. Example B. We've got to fill in the missing number. So let's start with the ones. 8 plus 4 was 12, so that's where the 2 came from, carry the 1. Right now in the tens column we have 1 plus 2, which is 3, 3 plus 3, which is 6. So how many more do we need to get to 8? Our missing number has to be a 2.